What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, gold has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Starting with first of all monthly time frame. This is the monthly price section that we can see on gold after the previous monthly strong bullish engulfer this month. What we have seen that gold bulls tried to push that price high. This is still a bullish market on the higher time frame perspective, but at the same time we see that in the first 3 weeks the bulls were not strong enough to create another giant bullish candle. Instead we have seen that this monthly candle is still narrow. So because the monthly end is coming up and due to the low volatility of this month, we could potentially see a retracement to the downside on this monthly candle. Now let's look at weekly perspective to see how the price action is forming. Now on the weekly perspective also the price action is still bullish. Now starting from here we see this is the impulse followed by this correction impulse. Now the price is facing a very important level of resistance. This is the dodges high that you can see previous weeks back to back two dodges. Now this week the market after opening we have seen significant bullish move. At this point where we can expect the price to be heading now to create a new higher high, we need this resistance to be broken, otherwise we could potentially see further drop to grab liquidity from this level and then to continue to go up. Now let's look at daily time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now on the daily perspective, as you can see, this is the daily resistance, this is the daily high, and from this level we have seen the price has come back to this daily 20 EMA and try to create any new higher high. We have seen the previous day the price failed to create a higher high. Instead of it has created a lower high, signaling potential further drop to the downside to grab liquidity. Now, where we can expect now the price to come back down, as we have seen that the price failed to create a higher high on the daily perspective, meaning that we could see deeper retracement to the downside to grab liquidity to break this resistance level. Now, if we look at intraday or 4 hour time frame, we see that where gold is giving us a potential setup. Now if you closely look at, we see that gold is moving along this channel. If you draw this support of this channel, this is where there is a previous order block, this is the resistance here, and also support here, this is the level, and at the same time we see that this is the level where this is the resistance of this channel, where we can see whenever the price is hitting this resistance the price coming back to this level of support. Again we have seen the price has gone to that level, created an overextended market and has come back to this level of support. Now at the same time we have seen the price has done the same task, has gone reached this level where there is a resistance, created a long wick candle, now preparing for a drop. So highly likely that at some point we could see gold is coming back to this level where this is the support of this channel, support in the past, testing as support and to create another bullish move. So that means that for the short term we could potentially see that gold is coming back down to this level to test this zone. So as soon as you will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone after a false breakout, we will consider going short on gold to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you very much. I will see you soon in my next analysis.